All right. Hey, music producers and sound designers, welcome back to the stream. I'm DannyXander, and this is Sound Design in Reactor. In this episode, we're going to be looking at designing a bass synth in Reactor in just a few minutes. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to open up the VST version of Reactor. So once I open that up, we're going to have a plugin window. It's going to look something like this, and it will basically be our plugin. So I'm going to open that up using the toolbar. We have three different sections. One is the place section, one is the patch section, and lastly, we have the build section. So that's right here. Play, patch, and build. Today we're going to be using the build section because it gives us the most flexibility to build up the components that we want to use. Since this will be a modular synth, we're going to be using blocks. So when we open it up, I just want to describe this challenge as pretty much a bass challenge. We're going to design a full bass, sub and mid, and we're going to use only blocks for this. No core, no macros or anything like that. Just dragging and patching blocks live. So let's get into it. So for those just joining, we're just going to be building a fat bass synth using Reactor, blocks only inside of Reactor. No macros, no scripting. So let's get right into it. So I'm going to drive it. I'm going to start off by dragging in my note in. After we bring in a note in, I'm going to need a few other modules here. So I'm going to bring in a clock, and 8-step, and a filter, VCA, envelope, and we're going to output. So I'm just going to make that bigger so you can see. Going to do the basic connections. All the pitch connections are going to go through the 8-step sequencer. So I'm going to actually bypass the note in from my keyboard when I press a key here. You can see that the module is actually lighting up, but I'm going to bypass this for now so that I can basically do this by hand. So we're going to connect the pitch to the end of the filter and the filter to the VCA. And any gate connections are going to come through the 8-step sequencer as well. Going to get some sound into this. And it's going to hit play on Ableton. And then we're going to turn up our amp so that we can hear the volume. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and save this. we need one more connection. Oh, we have no oscillator, so that would be the main reason why we're not hearing any sound here. Yeah, bring that to the pitch connection, and we're going to turn down our volume. Just going to reopen live here. Okay, so this gives you a basic idea of the building structure. This gives you a basic idea of the building structure of a bass sound. So we have a note in, we have a clock, we have an 8-step filter, our oscillator, filter, amp, and an envelope to control the volume modulation for that amp. So feel free to take this and run with it, design your own sounds, and keep sound designing. Peace out until the next episode. I'll see you in the next live stream.